Hey, what's up, geeks? So I have a short video for you. Now you're not going to want to miss this. This is one of the most important components that you'll need to know about React Native. Now with React Native cannot update dynamically rendered components. So what I mean by that? So right now we have our data.js file and it has our notifications. All right. Within our app.js, we're bringing in our notifications and we're passing it into our use state, which gets set to our messages. This is our messages default state. Now, we're actually referencing our messages within our data for our flat list. Now, the thing is, like I said, React Native cannot update dynamically rendered objects. All right. And all these components, if I go ahead, right now I have my debugger on and I'm console logging the messages. And I have the index. So I'll go ahead, I'll console log the index as well. Now, if we check this out in our browser, it should show that we have 7 messages. Go ahead and refresh. Shake our device. Okay, so you see we have 7 messages. Now I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna delete one of those messages. Use our index of 6. Let's see, check that out again. And our index is getting updated, but our messages isn't getting updated right now. So console log that. We can see our messages. We're calling our function, and it's not updating our messages. We go ahead, we console log our messages right here. We say, okay, new messages. Now you can see it updated our component because we refresh the screen. Now we go to new messages. Now let's render that. Messages. Now messages updated. It shows us the array size is 5. I'm going to go ahead and try to delete some more. Okay, messages is now updated and it's 4. I'm going to go ahead and do that again. Message updated and it's 3. It's 2. 2. So we basically use the same index somehow. So as you can see, it says we only have 2 messages, but actually we can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We can see 5 messages. Now that is a problem. Now in order for us to update our components dynamically like this, and I promise you, you need to know this, you need to import clone deep from lodash/clone deep. Now this comes built into React Native. What you want to go ahead and do is our new messages. We're going to go ahead. We're going to say new messages. Instead of referencing new messages here, we're going to reference our messages, right? Completely remove new messages. And we're going to create a variable. We're going to create that new message variable down here. We're going to set it equal to clone deep messages. All right. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to refresh our screen. Reload our screen. And we have all of our notifications. Now that we pass in the right data, it should just update that component directly. Yeah, and that's exactly what happens. As you can see, now using clone deep, it updates our component, our screen, exactly the way that we want to. Now this is a must know for any React Native developer or any React developer at that. You're going to need to have some kind of functionality where it's like a store. People may want to purchase items and they may change their mind and want to remove items from their cart. You're going to need something like this. And then also like, yeah, for a notification screen. All right. So rewind this video, watch it again, get familiar with what clone deep is. And I promise you it will be a lifesaver. Anyways, like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.